Welcome back. Let's Fort Bay Park like we're playing a game of Grand Theft Auto. Let's get cracking. First, we need to find a suitable bay. As you can see, there's not many bays to choose from. It's going to take a while. Once we see the bay we want, we do not begin to turn until our wing mirror is in line with the bay before the one we want. Let me show you. So the red arrow is the one before and the yellow arrow is the one we want. So we begin to full lock. And once we're in, we straighten up and proceed forward. Thanks for watching.